Hello and welcome back, dear subscriber. Today in this video, I am going to talk about essential job notification for 2019, 2020 and 2021 batch. You may be fresher or holding experience of 1 or 2 years. So guys, I will explain each and every detail like eligibility criteria and what are the tests you are going to face, what are the toughness of the test level, as well as how you can prepare for examination, for this test examination. And at the end, I will also discuss how you can apply for this. So guys, you are now watching Fresher Job Update with DCG. So please do subscribe the channel and share this video with other learners, as well as please click on the bell icon so you will get all these job notification. And job is about your career, so please don't ignore. Just subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon so you will get each and every job notification through DCG. So okay, now let's get started with this essential job notification for 2019 to 2021 batch. So guys, first we will go through the job description, and then after we will go to all those like assessment time, how much they will take, how you can prepare, how you can write, and at end I am going to discuss how to apply. So now let's get started with it. So we are going to check out the assistant. So now you can see all those data registration process. So those process I will do and show you directly. If applicable, okay, that things we will do, no problem. Mail ID, mobile number, alternate mobile number, DOB, these all are required things. And guys, you need PAN card. If you don't have PAN card, then please apply for e-PAN card. If you are Indian citizen, if you have Aadhaar card, you can easily apply for PAN card and get the PAN card. If you are not Indian citizen, like if you are from other country like Bangladesh, Nepal, or any other Bhutan, then you can apply for Aadhaar card and followed by PAN card. Even without Aadhaar card, you can get PAN card. So if you want to know how to get PAN card or how you can apply for PAN card, then please let me know in the comment section. I will help you out. Without PAN card, you can't apply for this job. So please make sure you have PAN card. If you don't have PAN card, then if you want to know the process, then please let me know in the comment section. Definitely, I will provide video on that. Okay, guys. So I am checking all those things, and like you can percentage, aggregate percentage is not mentioned, guys. There is no criteria, some criteria is mentioned. So you can also apply there, guys. And like a backlog, so at the time of applying, you should not have backlog. Those things are applicable there. So you see gap in education, select from drop down, and like you have more than 1 year gap in education from 10 to 12. Like मतलब 1 year means you should not be gap in your education after 10th to till now education more than 1 year. Okay. If there is, then please select appropriate region and drop down if you have more than 1 year gap. So like if there is some serious condition or like you have something big damages, something happened, then that reason you mention, and if that is really meaningful reason, then definitely they will consider you. Okay. So those are the small thing. And guys, let me also ask: are you an Indian citizen? So like if you are Indian, select that Indian and go with. If you are not Indian, then also you can apply for it. And guys, if you are from Bhutan and Nepal, then you also don't need the passport and work like permit. You can directly apply for it. And if you are Indian, then it is completely fine with it. Okay. So you also need like your resume, passport size photo you need, college photo ID you need, something government ID proof also you need for this. Everything I will discuss once I will start filling the form. Okay. So now let me discuss about the eligibility criteria. So you must be full-time programming BTech, BE, ME or MTech, MCA or MS. So guys, in this all stream, like all stream, it is not specific to CSE, IT or Triple E or EC. Any of the stream. If you are just going through the program of B or B Tech or ME or M Tech, MCA or MSc, then you are eligible for it. You can apply for it. Okay. And year of passing should be 2019 or 2020 or 2021. If you are 2022, not eligible. Shortly in those Accenture people will announce those new recruits for 2022 batch. So do subscribe the channels. Once they will announce, definitely I will provide video on that. And see backlogs, no active backlogs during application and at the time of onboarding. Like if you are like you're still you are waiting for result, but so like up to now your all backlog is clear, so you can apply for it. And if you pass all the subject in like waiting like results, then it is completely fine. Even after onboarding, if your result will come and if there is some backlog, then definitely they will provide some time. But while you are applying now and before onboarding, if you find any backlog, if you get any backlog, then your application will be terminated. Gap in education maximum 1 year, and application you can apply for, and you can see work permit not required for Bhutan and Bhutan and Nepalese people. So you can see Nepalese people and Bhutani national don't need PAN card. Sorry. They don't need passport or work permit. They can directly submit their citizenship along with PAN card. They have to take from Indian government and submit. Coming to assessment, let me give you assessment. I hope you are smart enough to fill the form. However, at end I will discuss. So assessment, let me discuss. Assessment of this essential is really not tough. It is one of the medium type, moderate type of the examination, moderate type of the test. So if you attend this and if you go with good plan, then definitely you can crack this exam and you will get the better package. And they are offering like two package. One is 4.5, and if you are really good, if you have done everything well, then you may get also 6.5 CTC package. Okay, so that is LPA package you will get. So minimum is 4.5 and maximum you can get 6.5 in this role. So that is package guide, and it is one of the best package coming to other MNCs. Other MNCs are providing like 3.5 package or 3.6 package, 3.65 package. Some company are also providing like 4 package like CTS, and like Virtusa is also offering some 4 lakh package. So like that, there are many company are offering, and based on that, this is one of the good opportunity for you. So don't miss that. And like your assessment test, like once you apply shortly, like after some week or some days, even some after some month, you will get like test link, and those tests with be like something 90 minutes, and within that 90 minutes there will be two sections. One is like English and next is like technical section. And what is the comfort here is like all question you can see at a times once you log in for this assessment. All like there is 50 questions and 40. So altogether 90 question, 90 minutes. So all question you can navigate anytime. You can change your answer. You can update again and again. So those is flexibility with you. So you can like tick, you can do all those answer and again you revisit and re-verify your answer and do required correction. Okay. And there is English ability and like critical reasoning and problem solving, abstract reasoning. Those are easy if you are good at those things like English and reasoning aptitude, then you can definitely crack this. And coming to like coding, they will give like pseudo code, and those code seems a little bit like longer, lengthy, but there is tricky. You can do very quickly if you just try to do with pen and paper. If you really concentrate and do. And for this technical, I would like to suggest you please go through once XR operation, like XR or and XR and operation. So XR operator you have to learn very well, so you can crack. Like most of the question are coming from XR operation, like 1 XR 11. If they will give like A equal to 5, and they will tell A XR 10, or a bitwise operator, and 5, like that they are asking. So you concentrate on bitwise operator as well as how to write that particular decimal number into binary number and do operation. Those things you have to learn, guys. So do focus on that if you are applying for it. Okay, dear. The next is okay. So once you like complete these things, once you are able to complete this first assessment, if you are really able to secure the pass mark, and those once you complete that assessment one on submission, it will take some 5 to 10 minutes, and they will give you instant result. So if you pass, they will allow you for assessment 2. And assessment 2, you will get programming questions. And there will be 2 programming questions. And you can write in 5 different languages based on your comfort. So either you can attempt in C, C++, .NET, Java, or Python. So any of the language you can work and do. And these questions are not really tough. One is easy. Easy means easy, definitely easy, basic question, basic concept, and next is moderate type. So if you are able to complete any one of the questions, most probably you are going to secure a package of 4.5. If you able to secure, do all these 2 bits, most probably you are going to secure like 6.5 package. So it is like just you need a little bit preparation. You can search on the internet and you can find material for it. The center exam, like coding bits question for practice, you can search and you can do practice and prepare for the examination. Okay, dear. So those all are the things. And after some days, if you are able to complete these things, and if you are able to also pass assessment too, then after some days, within few days, you will get communication assessment. So in communication assessment, that is like computer based only. So where you will get like sentence, mystery, like your vocabulary things and fluency, pronunciation, those things you will get. So and after that, if you crack that, then you will get all those remaining process regarding your exam. Sorry, regarding your onboarding, offer letter, all those things you will get. So this is all about the sensor notification, and I hope I have given all those details. Now I am going to how to register that. So go down and you have to tick here. Okay. And like PAN card, when you take photo, take that front only. Don't take whole page. Don't take corner. Don't take like black and white. Take in color and just on front page you have to crop like that. Okay. So click on next. Role is there itself, direct hiring, associate software engineering, sorry, engineer ASC. Job description also you can click and check, okay, what are required. So you can go and check. I hope you are smart enough to understand everything. So you go through that kindly. I will provide this link in video description. And you can see like from where you got that things. So you can social media you can select and something anyone you can give from LinkedIn. It is like a standard one type of. Select your gender, give your name. So like first name. So make sure your first name, middle name, and last name. You know which one is first, last, and like your middle name. Some of you have like 6, 7 name that too long name. So like that you check. So I will get something. I will give like deep. Okay, so this is first name, middle name is Kodak. Okay, sorry, Kodak, and then after Guru. Okay, then university registration. So I will give something in university registration. Okay, so I will give something A1750 12. So you can give your university registration number, your email ID you can give. I am going to give something, okay, Deep Kodak Guru 1@gmail.com. So give your own. I am just doing this educational purpose for educational purpose. So you can get like easy way to do it. So I am going to give one random number. Okay, so something 94. Okay, I can give 2615 or some random number I am just providing to complete it. At consent you give it, it will be easy for you only. Alternate mobile no required if there is no red star. And date of birth you can give, you can select like this. Okay, which year? Okay, let me go and select year. So something I will give. Okay, let me give some 20. Okay, January I will give something 12. Okay, your current location. So something I will give. Okay, Andhra Pradesh. And your educational details. So if you are undergraduate, go with that accordingly. Your degree, you select which one is your degree. Your college, you can select. So I am going to select one college. Okay, so I am going to Geetam something. I am selecting. Branch, you can go and select which branch. So I am going to select something computer science. The computer science. So like that you go and fill. And if you get any confusion, then please let me know in the comment section. I will always there to help you out. And passing year, so this 3 year is only allowed. So I am giving something 2020. And there is CGPA, then you can give CGPA, any CGPA you can put. Okay, and other detail also you want to mention, please do mention. Okay. Regarding regarding your intermediate and those things you can also mention if you are really interested to mention, and that is good also if you mention. Okay, so total professional experience, no experience if you are like fresher. If you have, then please mention. Are you working currently? No. Do you have any offer? No. Like that you go with, I am just giving the one of the most probable option and best option. So how many days? Okay, make it available immediately according to yours. You make your like something you may be getting confusing which one I have to select. So go with C++ program because most of you know this. And if you have not worked on somewhere on this work, then you just not applicable. Secondary skill there is no A star, so don't need to go with. Okay, and like if you have certification like certification from any place, then please do mention, check all those details. If you don't have, just ignore it. And certification in any foreign language, like a speaking language, human language, if you have, then go with it is benefit to you. If not, and now you have to prefer your location, you have to select your location, something. Okay, so you go and select your location based on your interest. Okay, so like that you can go and select the location. Okay, and education gap, if you don't have, then no gap you mention. And like if you worked with before, no then no, yes then yes. Standing backlog, yes then no. If you are standing backlog, you are not eligible itself. Do you have appeared for interview? No, of course. Are you Indian citizen? If yes, then go yes. No, then go non-Indian citizen. Like that you go. Okay, and if you are from other country, mention that. And work permit, so you click yes, you have. If you are from Bhutan and Nepal, you don't need. However, you have to tick yes, I have. Attach your CV dear. Okay. Okay, attach your CV. Okay, CV means your resume. And if you think your resume is not good, if you want to get some tips from me, then please let me know in comment section. Put your passport size photo within the like new recent photo. Okay, upload that. Your college ID photo you take and also upload that. And in government, you can PAN card, which the PAN card you have, you just type that PAN card number and then upload your PAN card. If you are from like PWD, so you are also like that in disability criteria, then please you do select accordingly and proceed. If not, then you just select no. Okay, declaration you have to do yes, and you have to do agree, and again you have to yes, agree, agree, you have to click agree, all agree you have to do, and finally you have to click submit. Okay, so I am not providing because already I have applied for it, and if I do like multiple, then it will be like one type of bug only it will be. So I don't want to give any fake information and fill this and submit it. So you fill accordingly and submit it. On submission, you will get one email. So that email will tell, okay, thanks for your interest and your applying. And shortly you will get test link and all those updates. So they will mention like that. So this is all about this video, and I hope you are going to apply, and this video is going to help you out through the process. So thanks a lot for watching this video. Please stay at home, stay safe, stay tuned with a fresher job update with this is happy learning.